The Skilled Immigration Act in Germany. Do you come from a country outside the European Union and want to live and work in Germany? We'll tell you everything you need to know about the German Skilled Immigration Act, which came into force on the 1st of March 2020. It has been put in place to regulate the immigration of people from countries outside the European Union. So, who does the law apply to? The Skilled Immigration Act primarily applies to qualified professionals. You are considered a qualified professional if you have a university degree, such as a doctor, or you have completed vocational training, such as an electrician. This law doesn't provide any new visa opportunities for people who don't hold any formal qualifications, such as a waiter. Qualified professionals are allowed to work in the field in which they have studied or trained. But first, they must arrange to have their foreign qualifications recognized by the German authorities. During this recognition process, the authorities will assess whether your occupational qualification obtained outside Germany is equivalent to a German occupational qualification, or whether your university degree is comparable to a German university degree. Before being able to apply for a visa, you must also have received a job offer for skilled employment in Germany. What are some of the benefits of this new law? The Skilled Immigration Act makes it easier to access the German labor market. Germany is now open to anyone who has completed vocational training, regardless of whether a person's occupation is in demand. Now, all qualified professionals with a suitable occupation can be employed in Germany. But that's not the only thing that's changed. Employers were previously obliged to give preference to German applicants over those from other countries. This preferential system no longer exists. However, the Federal Employment Agency still checks whether the working conditions of the job you have been offered meet the usual standards in Germany. What options does this law offer for people who are looking for a job or an apprenticeship? Thanks to the new law, all skilled professionals can now travel to Germany to look for work, no matter whether they hold a recognized university degree or have completed recognized vocational training. So, if you are a qualified professional with a recognized vocational education, you can now enter Germany to look for a job. If you have sufficient German language skills, you are eligible for a visa that is valid for up to 6 months and will enable you to come and look for work in Germany. In general, you'll need to have at least B1 level German. And you'll need to be able to finance your stay in Germany for the entire duration of your visa. While you're in Germany looking for work, you are allowed to take on trial employment for up to 10 hours a week. This gives employers and foreign employees the opportunity to see if they are a good match for each other. The trial employment option is also available to skilled professionals with a recognized university degree. Young people who want to complete vocational training in Germany, such as training to become a geriatric nurse, will also benefit from the Skilled Immigration Act. Are you under 25 with a satisfactory school leaving certificate and at least B2 level German skills? Are you able to financially support yourself for the entire duration of the training? If so, you are eligible for a visa that will let you to stay in Germany for up to 6 months while you apply for vocational training. If your occupational qualification is not fully recognized, what options are available? If the German authorities don't fully recognize your foreign occupational qualifications, you will receive a notification detailing the areas in which you need to obtain additional qualifications. To gain these additional qualifications, you can apply for a residence permit that is valid for up to 18 months so that you can complete the necessary training and education in Germany. The prerequisites for this visa are A2 level German and the financial means to support yourself during your stay. In individual cases, this visa can be extended up to a maximum of 2 years. How can companies help foreign professionals obtain a visa? Has a German company offered you an employment contract and you would like to start as soon as possible? For a fee of 411 euros, companies can expedite the visa application process for qualified professionals at the Immigration Authority in Germany. This will enable you to start working sooner, so be sure to let your employer know about this option. Further information about the Skilled Immigration Act is available on the federal government's portal for foreign professionals, www.makeitingermany.com. Germany looks forward to welcoming you.